up, you guys? Welcome back to Linda's Eating Show. Today I am filming. Today I'm at work on my lunch. Sorry.
No, all good. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Got some
Don't think I don't want to eat with you guys.
Carne Asada fries.
I don't want to be hungry like last weekend.
Knock it off. How's your guys' food? Look at that.
Good.
I've never had fries like this in a clear container. What is this like? This is like a
Chipotle sauce?
yeah, that's what it tastes like. Chipotle, and then the what is this? Annette guacamole stuff?
No, that's like salsa, no?
Like cilantro. I love this one. That's good.
Dude, that looks like so nice.
He's so sweet.
It's pretty good. That's crazy as fuck though.
What?
You tell me nothing about Nubia not getting nothing? Nubia didn't get anything.
Well, because we fucking bought the pizza last time, right? And we spent over like $20 each.
Not 20 in it.
Damn.
She wasn't here that day.
Nubia?
It was the other day.
It is what it is. It's a personal problem. Not even if she's really hungry, I'm gonna go take her. You should tell him. You should tell him. You know what I mean? Like if she wanted to go get food, if he had to take her, like we don't mind because there's no toys for the rest of the day. You have one or two, right?
He's gonna share with her.
A burrito for a burrito. Right? Gotta do what you gotta do.
This is pretty good.
Yeah? I don't think I've ever had bad Carne Asada fries.
No?
No, but my pollo asada, my pollo asada lettuce fries are hella good.
Really?
Yeah. You've never had pollo asada lettuce fries?
Lettuce fries.
Yeah, pollo asada
Oh.
lettuce fries.
I was like, wait, what?
I thought we were going to
I tried to trick my daughter. You know those little mini carrots, baby carrots? I baked them in the oven. They almost look like fries. She loves fries, and I gave it to her, and she thought it was a fry. She ate it. She didn't eat it. She spit it out. She didn't like it because it was.
disgusting.
Shut up. It's not disgusting. It was delicious.
You should give it to her with
I like it, but not cooked. Like,
should give it to her with fat-free ranch. My daughter loves eating baby carrots with ranch.
But crunchy, raw, not cooked.
Yeah,
That's what
crunchy.
she said too.
Cause it's like, oh look, you can make a game out of it. Like you can, oh look, it's so crunchy. Yeah, stupid shit like that. You know what I mean? Right?
Hey, I got a chip in here.
Antonella doesn't eat meat.
He's vegan?
She is.
Who?
Antonella?
Oh, your daughter.
That's how my daughter is. My daughter hates meat.
She won't even,
Chicken.
dude, she'll throw up with the McDonald's Happy Meal, the nuggets.
Yeah, my daughter says she wants them, but she never eats them.
And it's a pain because it's fucking like.
Trying to find food for her to eat.
Oh my god, like, yes.
I will say this though, when you go to certain places, it's really easy. Like when you go to like the other day we went to Tacos de Pollo at Chula Vista, way before quarantine, and we just got her a like a molita, but with no meat, and just like the onions and stuff, and so pretty much just like a fucking quesadilla with onions and stuff in there. And
Instead of the meat.
and she fucking loves it because you still get like the taste from the, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But she eats cheese and dairy and stuff. Maybe she's gonna be a vegetarian.
Or maybe there's this something that you guys probably take her to the doctor And like as far as her body processing the meat, it takes probably too long for her. So therefore she throws it back up because her body won't process it. You know what I mean? Some people are like
The
that.
smell,
Throws her off.
even eggs, she'll
Really?
years away. Yes.
Dang, my daughter eats everything.
Spaghetti with like meatballs. Oh, so I get stressed. Like, come on now.
She won't even spaghetti?
No, she'll like take the fucking meat like that.
Oh my god.
Yes.
I told you my daughter loves burritos, right? Like she'll eat out of my husband's burrito with salsa, everything, onions.
Even with the hot sauce and stuff?
She loves Takis. She'll lick it when she sees me eating them. She'll come and she'll want more.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
My
A lot
daughter,
of people tell me, no, it's okay. Just let her. You know, like don't be forcing her to eat.
that's what my wife does. She's like, if she doesn't want to eat meat, she doesn't want to eat meat.
Yeah.
The other night we had, no, last night we had like chicken like this that she made like in like a panini griller. She made the chicken and then made like, me and my wife had salad. My brother-in-law, he had the chicken with like pasta and stuff, and she didn't want none of the chicken. But that's what I was telling you about the carrot. She substituted the chicken for the carrot. She would rather eat carrots than eat chicken.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's how I know. I told my daughter, I told my wife, I was like, oh, she's just not gonna eat meat. Or she
You know
will,
what?
She will when she's ready.
No, that is true because my son, he's 12 right now. And when he was younger, he never would, like when he would eat chicken, he would have it for like 10, 15 minutes, just like chewing the juice out of it basically. And he would take forever to swallow it. And now, I mean, now he eats everything. He like loves steak, loves seafood, loves everything.
But unless she will eat every vegetable.
That's
in the
good.
World. So that's what her doctor, she told me, it's fine as long as she eats whatever. Dude, she asks for salad.
That's
which
good.
is fine.
Because you eat salads.
She likes what's the one that kind of stains on your clothes like a
Beets.
beets.
She loves beets?
She loves those, Wayne.
Those
And
are
I know
good.
those are good for you, right? She'll grab a tomato, Wayne.
Eat it like an apple.
Eat it like
I
a.
was like, hell no, look, I'm gonna cut it and I put salt and pepper and shit, and that's how she eats it. Or you know what else? Dude, my daughter, I know for sure she is as Mexican as can be. I can give her a half of a lime or a lemon, and she will eat the fucking pulp
Like everything.
with the juice out of it.
Yeah.
Sour faced and all, but be happy. And I'm like, oh, hell.
So she
yeah.
eats it like an orange.
Yes.
Wow.
But she doesn't like oranges. She likes cuties, but she doesn't like oranges.
Okay.
And I'm, or like cucumbers, she doesn't like the normal cucumbers, but she likes the small, crunchy ones. You know what I'm talking about? The ones you have to go to like either like Sprouts or like Aldi's to get. You know what I mean? The crunchy ones. Have you had those cucumbers? Those ones are hella. I'm not gonna lie, they're hella good.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm getting full.
Me too. And you were saying,
Oh. That's how I sound in your head?
yes.
Avocado.
Oh,
The shell?
Excuse me.
yeah.
Like the shell.
Excuse
but
me.
The little
The little seed
black
thing.
part. Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa, excuse me.
God damn.
Excuse me. You're welcome, burp lovers. Sorry, I'm just like chilling with the crew right now. So you guys are just watching me eat while I engage in conversation with them. Chris, try this.
Did you not just hear what I said?
Your stomach hurts.
Did you?
This is gonna help your stomach.
No, the hell it won't. There's no way fries, meat, avocado, and sour cream is
Suit
gonna do
yourself,
anything.
Ben.
I love those. I love this.
Hmm?
I love those.
Get some. I haven't even eaten half.
Huh?
Eat some. I had a box, and I had the buttery jack or whatever with curly fries and a drink. And I finished the fries first, and then like halfway through the burger, I was like, Not even halfway. They're probably like 2 bites. And my wife was like, "Oh, you're not gonna eat?" I was like, "I'm like full." She was like, "Try to," and I fucking threw up.
This place is not stingy with their meat.
No, they're not.
They have a lot of meat. Like, look at all this. This is all meat under this cheese right here. That's all meat.
Yeah, they're not stingy at all.
Wow.
But tacos al gordo were still better.
I think so too. Tacos al gordo.
I'm sorry.
This is
There's
terecitas, right?
Mhm.
Terecitas.
You gotta go to the tacos al gordo and Chula
Tacos
Vista.
al gordo. Here I go again with the...
Chula Vista is the best fucking one, huh? It's the best fucking one.
Woo! I know you guys missed me. I don't film that much anymore. I've been trying to lose some weight.
Yeah. Well, he's under, he is officially now within my wife's custody.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Why, Chris?
What are you talking about? I'm missing something.
Huh?
I'm missing something.
Oh, that like my brother-in-law is now like in my wife's custody. So pretty much he's like my son, brother-in-law, whatever the fuck.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. I told him I can't wait to embarrass him in high school. He starts high school next year, so I can go to his like
They're gonna think you're a student there.
right? So I can go. I'm like, that's my son. That's my son. You
Oh
know?
my gosh. I went to my son's school. I forget why. It was during lunchtime.
Mhm.
And then the yard, what is it called? Like the yard duty or whatever duty person, staff member on property during the lunchtime. She was like, "Oh, honey, are you lost? Like, do you belong to this school?" She thought I was a high schooler. I was like, "No, I'm not a high schooler. My son is here." Excuse me.
Depending on what school he goes to, because in this area, I want to see if he can go to East Lake for
Oh.
freshman year. If they ever get to go back to school with this stupid shit. Can you imagine?
How old is he?
14? But he's big. He's a big ass 14-year-old. He's taller than I am already. But I'm short as fuck.
I was just gonna say you ain't even tall.
Yeah, he's taller. He's like way taller.
Annette's taller than you.
I can see that. I'm sorry.
Annette, don't rub it in.
He's taller than you too. He's taller than you.
Are you 5'4"? 5'5"? 5'5"?
She's not 5'5".
What's your height?
I'm 5'5".
No, you're not.
I am 5'5".
5'6".
Yeah, you just get long hair.
You're not 5'5", Chris.
Yeah, I am.
I'm 5'2", guys.
You're
I'm
5'2".
5'2", yeah.
You're short, Chris?
I guess. I thought we were like the same height. Oh, is anything sticking in my teeth?
You guys are out here trying to make me sound like a midget.
No.
I don't care about none of that.
No. We're not saying anything like that.
Midgets are 5'5".
I didn't say that, Chris. I didn't say it. I wasn't thinking it. It all came from her.
The leprechaun who wants to
What?
You gotta look good in the oven.
You guys, I'm getting full. It was either record like this while I'm interacting with them or just nothing at all. Oh yeah, but yeah, I have to do that. I'm doing this banana and Sprite challenge, guys. They want me to do that.
Banana and what?
Sprite challenge. So you have to eat 2 bananas fast and then drink Sprite really fast. And I guess the combination, when it sits in your stomach, it makes a person want to throw it all up. The goal is to do it and not throw up.
Yeah.
These are requests from them. And a watermelon challenge, where you have to put hella rubber bands around until it pops.
Oh, that's fun.
Right?
That's actually fun.
Yeah.
You just gotta be hella careful because when that shit pops, that shit. Boom!
I've seen different videos, it's scary.
Like, no, that shit would be on your ceiling, like staying
Right.
in your furniture.
I have
all
goggles
that
for it
shit.
and everything.
You gotta do that shit at the park. Because that shit will stain your furniture, your ceilings, all that stuff.
Oh, excuse me. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and give this video a big old thumbs up, a like, leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.